how to improve your product main image and how to improve your product CTR according to Stephen Pope and text part report and picture part human. This product sell very well and in the market and 5K fast. So what I do, I copy this product main image and apply here in Canva. And secondly, the seller match with the important keyword in the first page. So why? So according to Stephen Pope, look, this is the product of my Amazon guy. So before this product, only a simple like a cookie baking sheet. So now after he improved the product CTR, a cooking and baking sheet. So three pieces sheet. So I apply this like formula in this product. Before this product look like only as a simple product, what I do, so I add the second image of the seller weight in the second image. Now I apply this image in the first page. What I do, I add the ProPeg professional egg sheet. Also I add the uses of the product, what, how to use this product, and also it. So why? If anything look like this is the My Amazon guy product here in the biscuit in the first picture. So that's the easy way you can improve your product CTR according to My Amazon guy formula.